Honey peach lemon is not only used to treat cough but also, the use of honey peach lemon not only stops at the treatment of cough, sore throat but also has great benefits in improving the digestive system, increasing the body's immunity. Peach lime. Unlike normal lemons, peach lemon usually has a very thin crust, beautiful yellow color, contains a lot of essential oils. The intestine inside the peach is very eye-catching and very fragrant. Peach lemongrass will provide effective use in the treatment of cough, against the attack of diseases such as sore throat. Lemon has long been known as a fruit with a rich content of vitamin C. When combined with B, will bring effective use in the treatment of cough, against the attack of diseases such as sore throat, burning pain throat. In addition, regular use of honey peach lemon every day will bring many other unexpected uses for health. So what is it? Let's explore through the following article to get a better understanding of the use of honey peach lemon. 1. Strengthen immune system. Like other lemons, peach lemon is also rich in vitamin C and ascorbic acid, which helps the body fight inflammation symptoms, so it is often used in the treatment of asthma and respiratory diseases. At the same time, enhancing the absorption of iron helps to improve the immune system effectively. At the same time, peach lemon is also a fruit that contains many antibacterial saponins that help fight cold and flu symptoms. Regular use of peaches will significantly reduce the amount of phlegm present in the body, limiting harmful bacteria. In the composition of lemons with vitamin C and ascorbic acid, it helps the body fight inflammatory symptoms, enhances immune health. 2. Enhance digestion. When using lemon peaches immediately, the body stimulates the liver to produce bile, supports more acids, helps the digestive system work more easily to expel toxins from the body. Meanwhile, honey is used to help the antibacterial body prevent the onset of infections, stimulating the production of many mucus in the intestinal mucosa, helping to protect the intestinal effectively. 3. Clean the stomach. Improve the function of the colon. The most toxic things such as undigested food, cells and bacteria often gather and cover a thick layer around the stomach, leading to long-term accumulation of toxins causing many diseases and manifestations through signs such as bloating, indigestion. Therefore, using a cup of honey peach lemon every day is the simplest way to help you clean the stomach and colon, help eliminate toxins from the body, help absorb nutrients easily. Easier. A cup of honey peach lemon every day is the simplest way to help you clear your stomach and colon, helping to remove toxins from your body. 4. Against constipation. The benefits of honey peach lemon are not only used to treat cough, but also an effective solution to help prevent constipation. Honey peach lemons help the body produce more mucus. Hydrate helps to supply water to the body, stimulating the secretion of the intestine more easily, while protecting the intestinal mucosa. 5. Clean the lymphatic system. When the body is dehydrated with other essential minerals often fall into insomnia, fatigue, all activities become sluggish. A cup of honey peach lemon every morning will help moisturize the entire lymphatic system, helping the body get rid of the fatigue symptoms. 6. Providing energy. Improving mood. A cup of honey helps to provide an immediate source of energy, while providing water to the brain, stimulating the enzymes in the stomach to improve the health of the body. Relaxing gently with a cup of honey peach lemon will help you improve your mood effectively. 7. Clean the urinary tract. Diuretic. Honey with an excellent antibacterial effect when combined with peaches will become an effective diuretic method, quickly cleansing the urinary tract. Besides, citric and ascorbic acid in lemon will help balance the pH in the body. 8. Improve oral health. The acidity of lemon and antibacterial properties in honey quickly improve bad breath, while cleaning the mouth, killing harmful bacteria in the oral cavity, easing throat quickly. 9. Lose weight. Consistently using honey peach lemons will help you quickly regain a good shape, because in this mixture contains a lot of pectin to help reduce cravings, thereby supporting rapid weight loss without harming the body. And the composition of honey peach lemon contains many pectin to help reduce cravings, thereby supporting rapid weight loss without harming the body. 9. Helps skin smooth. Regular use of honey peach lemon will help the body purify the blood, stimulate the production of new blood cells, restore and promote collagen production to benefit the skin. So if you want to have a beautiful skin and healthy health, use honey peach lemon every morning. A guide to making honey peach lemon extremely simple. Always maintain the habit of drinking a cup of honey peach lemon every day. Your body will be healthy from the inside out. Resources: -1 kilogram peach lemon, 1 liter of pure forest honey, -500 grams rock sugar, -100 grams of white salt. Glass bottle. Blister compress. Prepare. When buying lemon peach, you should choose old ripe fruits, thin and succulent shells. When buying lemon, wash it, then soak it in dilute salt water for at least 30 minutes. Remove it to drain. Use a knife to cut each peach into slices in the horizontal direction of the lemon. Alum sugar spreads into small pellets, or you can buy small alum sugar available at supermarkets. Glass vials and compression blisters are washed to dry in the sun. Done. Step 1. Cover a small layer of alum sugar that spreads small on the bottom of the glass jar. Turn thinly sliced peaches on top. Continue to do the same. 1 layer of alum sugar, 1 layer of lemon dug up until all the sugar and lemon juice are prepared. Step 2. Use a compression blister to replace the peach layer so that the ingredients are compacted together. Finally, put the honey in so that the amount of honey soaks up all the lemon in the jar. Then cover the lid. Step 3. Bring a bottle of peach to preserve it in cool and dry places. Avoid the sunlight of the sun shining directly on it, as it should not be stored in the refrigerator. Step 4. Regularly cut off the bubbles, because during the first time soaking peaches will see bubbles appear. After about 1 month soaking, you can use them to enhance your health. Hopefully the article will help you to know more about the benefits of honey lemon for health. Always maintain the habit of drinking a cup of honey peach lemon every day. Your body will be healthy from the inside out. Wish you are always healthy.